We told you earlier this morning about the Supreme Court looking at a number of hugely important cases to be decided probably this month. None of them have broken in the last 10 minutes this morning after the justices came into session at 10. However, there is some significant news as it relates to this really high-profile $2 billion case with Johnson & Johnson and their talcum powder products. You probably remember this from when it was all going down. Let me bring in NBC's justice correspondent, Pete Williams. Pete, a lot of other lawsuits about that baby powder still working their way through the courts. Tell us what this decision, I put in quotes, right, this refusal to take up this appeal means and what the implications are.
Well, it means clear sailing, I think, for some of these other cases. Here's what was at issue. The women who sued Johnson & Johnson, this is about 20 women, said that the use of Johnson's baby powder and shower-to-shower shimmer had caused ovarian cancer. And these women from many different states came together in one trial in Missouri State Court and prevailed. And eventually the Court of Appeals in Missouri reduced the damages to $2.1 billion. Johnson & Johnson appealed. Now, the issue was for the Supreme Court was not the main event in the case, which is, did these products actually cause ovarian cancer? Johnson & Johnson insists the answer is no. The question for the Supreme Court was, should J&J be heard on its claim that it didn't get a fair trial, because it said so many of these women had different severities of cancer. Some were in remission, some died, some had family predispositions to cancer. So Johnson & Johnson said by lumping all these cases together, it was deprived of a fair trial. And there's some dispute among the federal courts about whether you can and should do that. But in any event, the Missouri court said that there was nothing wrong with it, and the Supreme Court isn't going to take the case. I should just say one other thing. Why does this claim for a cancer arise with these talc products? And the answer is talc is a mineral that is in the ground, and it's mined. It's chemically similar to asbestos, and sometimes it occurs in the ground very near deposits of asbestos. So it's a known production problem to keep asbestos out of these talc products. J&J says it successfully has done it, but in any event, it doesn't sell those products based on talcum powder in the U.S. anymore.